on water, take your life jacket from under your seat. Pull the tab to release it. Then opens the bag and takes your jacket out. Then slip it over your head, pass the long strap around your waist and secure with the clip at the front. Pull on the loose end to tighten it. Only inflate it when you're outside so it doesn't restrict your escape. Pull the red tab hard or blow into the tube to inflate. There's a lightweight rack retention. Cabin crew will hand out smaller life jackets for children.
To help reduce injury in an emergency landing, fasten your seatbelt tight. Put both feet together, firmly on the floor, slightly under your seat. Place one hand over the other on the back of your head. Bend forward, elbows outside your knees. Rest your head on the seat in front of you can. If you have a child on your lap, place one hand on your head, lean over your child and place one hand on their head. Brace position may vary in some cabins. Please check your safety card before departure.
Lights will guide you to the exits in an emergency, and there are green signs at the doors. The cabin crew will point out the exits now. Please remember where your nearest exit is. It might be right there, behind you. If you need to open a door, move the big handle in the direction of the arrow. As the door opens, the slide will inflate. If it doesn't, then just pull the red handle. Leave everything behind you and take off anything that could damage the slide. Jump on the slide, and when you get to the end, move away quickly. The slides can also be used as rafts. Okay, we're nearly ready to go. Please now make sure your seatbelt's fastened low and tight. Your seat's upright, the armrest's down, and your footrest is tucked away. If your screen isn't in the back of the seat in front of you, return it to its home now. There's a safety card in your seat pocket. Have a good look through to remind you of what you've seen and for information about this particular aircraft. Please always pay attention to the signs and the crew. They're there to keep you safe. So if you have any questions, just ask. Now sit back and enjoy your flight, and thanks for watching.
all for your hard work, and ask you now please be taking your seats for landing. very warm welcome to London Heathrow Airport, where the local time is just approaching 8:05 in the morning, which is about 45 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. Please keep your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. We will return any items that we've stowed for you as soon as we arrive at the terminal. If you were given an infant life jacket at the beginning of the flight, please have this ready for collection by the cabin crew. Before you leave us, remember to check around your seat and in your seat pocket to make sure that you have everything with you. And when you're opening the overhead lockers, be careful as items may have moved around during landing. If you've yet to donate any loose change or foreign currency to our Passport for Change appeal, there will be a collection bag available to you as you exit the aircraft. If you're Next time you travel, please remember to download the Virgin Atlantic app from the App Store to manage your booking and check-in online. And don't forget to join the Flying Club to collect Virgin points today for a wide range of exciting benefits, from reward flights to exclusive discounts and more. We really do hope you've enjoyed your time on board with us this evening. We do know you have a choice of airlines to fly with from Miami, so on behalf of Captain Matt and my crew, we do thank you for choosing Virgin Atlantic. Goodbye for now, have a safe onward journey, and we look forward to welcoming you on board again soon.
Cabin crew, thank you very much for your hard work over the last couple of days. Please prepare the cabin for arrival. Please prepare doors for arrival. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we come to a complete stop and turn the seatbelt signs off. It's not only for your safety, but the safety of others around you. Very warm welcome to London Heathrow. Outside temperature is 14 degrees. Thanks again for choosing to fly with us today. Safe and pleasant on the journey.